Hello students, once again I am here with you with an interesting video of NCERT Book of Marigold Class 5 English, and the chapter name is Flying Together. This story, Flying Together, adopted from Stories from Panchatantra, a wise old bird, and this story is written by Shiv Kumar. This is the book of stories from Panchatantra, and in this book, all stories are related to different animals. And this Panchatantra book was written by Vishnu Sharma. Now, let's start this very interesting story of geese flying together. Students, what are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? Get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bag. What happened when you didn't do as they asked you to do? What happened? Yes, then you didn't do your work on time, like get up in the morning, do your homework, and pack your school bag, and as a result, you will get late for school. Trees and plants are to be conserved, protected, discuss in class, and find out which plants, creepers, or trees may be harmful for the existence of others. Let's now see how and what type of plants, trees, and creepers are harmful for us. Trees gives us so many things, so it's our duty to protect them. In fact, trees are very useful for us, but there are some trees, plants, and creeper which are harmful for us. So, see which type of plants, trees, or creepers are harmful for us. This is the picture of a bittersweet nightshade plant, and it is poisonous and it is not good for human being. This is a picture of another plant, and its name is Chinese Latin, and it is also very harmful for human being. Harmful trees. The first tree is suicide tree. It is very poisonous. Second tree is milky mangrove tree. It is also very poisonous for human beings. Harmful creepers. First is Virginia creeper, and second is trumpet vine creeper. These are two creepers which are very harmful for human beings as well as animals. Before we read the chapter, come let's find some new words of this chapter with their meanings. First word is geese. Its meaning is plural for goose, large web-footed bird. Geese are the large web-footed bird. Second is creeper. Creeper meaning plant that needs support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. Third is winding, and its meaning is go in circular spiral course. Fourth is muttered, its meaning is spoken in a low tone. Fifth is flapped, and its meaning is move wings up and down. Sixth word is leafy, and its meaning is full of leaves. Seventh word is forgot, and its meaning did not remember. Eighth word is hunter, and its meaning is one who kills animals or birds. Ninth word is all at once, and its meaning is suddenly. 10th word is watch, and its meaning is saw carefully. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. They felt safe there. On the geese was a wise old bird. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. It means किसी घने जंगल में एक बहुत ही ऊंचा पेड़ था. उसकी पत्तेदार टहनियों पर जंगली हंसों का एक झुंड रहता था और वे वहाँ बहुत ही सेफ सुरक्षित अनुभव करते थे. उनमें से एक हंस बहुत ही बुद्धिमान और वृद्ध पक्षी था. उसने पेड़ की जड़ में एक लता, एक क्रीपर देखी और उसने इसके बारे में अन्य पक्षियों को, अन्य गीज को बताया. Do you see that creeper? He said to them. Let us destroy it. Why must we destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. It is so small. What harm can it do? My friends, replied the wise old bird, that little creeper will soon grow. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong. What of that? Asked the geese. What harm can a creeper do us? Don't you see? Replied the wise bird. With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all. It means आप उस क्रीपर को देख रहे हैं. वह उनसे बोला. कौन? वो जो वृद्ध पक्षी था. उसने अन्य पक्षियों को कहा कि आप उस लता को देख रहे हैं, आओ हम उसे नष्ट कर दें, उसे काट दें. हम इसे नष्ट क्यों करें? हंसों ने आश्चर्य से पूछा. यह बहुत छोटी है, इससे हमें क्या हानि हो सकती है? अरे मित्रों, बुद्धिमान बूढ़ा पक्षी बोला, वह छोटी सी लता क्रीपर कुछ समय में बड़ी हो जाएगी. जैसे जैसे यह पेड़ पर चढ़ेगी यह मोटी और मजबूत बनती जाएगी. इससे क्या होगा? हंसों ने पूछा. कोई लता हमारा क्या बिगाड़ सकती है? आप नहीं समझते? बुद्धिमान पक्षी ने उत्तर दिया. उस लता की सहायता से किसी के लिए भी पेड़ पर चढ़ना संभव हो जाएगा. कोई शिकारी ऊपर चढ़कर हम सभी को मार सकता है. Well, there's no hurry, they replied. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. Destroy the creeper while it is still young, the old bird advised. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. We will see, answered the birds. But they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. अच्छा, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, उन्होंने उत्तर दिया. किसने उत्तर दिया? वो जो गीज थे, उस पेड़ पे रहने वाले जो अन्य पक्षी थे, उन्होंने उत्तर दिया. अच्छा, कोई हमें इसे नष्ट करने की जल्दी नहीं है. लता बहुत छोटी है, इसे भी नष्ट करना बहुत ही बुरी बात होगी. लता को भी नष्ट कर दो जब यह छोटी है. बूढ़े पक्षी ने फिर से सलाह दी. अभी यह कोमल है और आप इसे आसानी से काट सकते हो. बाद में यह कठोर बन जाएगी और आप इसे काट नहीं पाएंगे. किसने कहा? उस बूढ़े पक्षी ने. देख लेंगे, पक्षियों ने उत्तर दिया. परंतु उन्होंने लता को नष्ट ना किया. वे बुद्धिमान बूढ़े पक्षी की सलाह को भूल गए. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. So this is where the wild geese live, he said to himself. When they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got to the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. अब जैसे जैसे वो क्रीपर बड़ी होने लगी वह पेड़ पर लिपट कर चढ़ने लगी और वह मजबूत बनती गई धीरे धीरे समय के साथ, और किस तरह की होगी, मोटी रस्सी की तरह मजबूत बन गई। एक दिन सुबह जब हंस भोजन की खोज में गए हुए थे, एक शिकारी जंगल में आया। अच्छा, हंस यहाँ रहते हैं, वह किससे, अपने आप से ही बोला। जब वे शाम को लौटेंगे इस पेड़ पर तो मैं उन्हें पकड़ लूँगा। शिकारी उस क्रीपर के सहारे पेड़ पर चढ़ गया। वह चोटी पर पहुँचा और अपना जाल वहाँ बिछा दिया और फिर वह नीचे उतर आया और वहाँ से चला गया। In the evening the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They struggled hard to get out but could not. Help, help, cried the geese. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? Don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. शाम के समय हंस घर लौट आए और उन्होंने जाल ना देखा जो कि उस पेड़ पे लगा हुआ था, और जैसे ही वो उस पेड़ पे आए और वो उस जाल में फंस गए। उन्होंने निकलने का बहुत ज़्यादा प्रयत्न किया परंतु वो उस जाल में से निकल नहीं पाए और वो हंस धीरे कैसे चीखने लगे, बचाओ बचाओ, हम शिकारी के जाल में फंस गए हैं। ओह, अब हम क्या करें? सभी एक साथ दुखी होकर बोलने लगे। अब वो जो बूढ़ा पक्षी था, बूढ़ा हंस था, जो बुद्धिमान था, उसने कहा कि आप पछताने से कुछ नहीं होगा। मैंने बहुत पहले तुमसे कहा था कि इस क्रीपर को यहाँ से नष्ट कर दो, परंतु तुमने उसे नष्ट नहीं किया। अब देखो क्या हो गया, कल सुबह शिकारी वापस आएगा और हम सबको मार डालेगा। We were foolish, wept the birds. We are very sorry we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Then listen carefully, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter will not harm dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds and take them home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. अब वो बर्ड्स क्या बोलने लगे, बहुत ज़ोर ज़ोर से पछताने लगे और रोने लगे, कहने लगे हम मूर्ख थे, हमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा इस बात का पछतावा है कि हमने आपकी बात नहीं सुनी। अब हमें प्लीज़ बताएं कि हम क्या करें। तो उस बुद्धिमान पक्षी ने उत्तर दिया कि ठीक है, तो ध्यान से मेरी बात सुनो। जब शिकारी आएगा तुम सबको यहाँ से लेने के लिए सुबह, तो तुमने क्या करना है, मरने का नाटक करना है। बस एकदम बिना हिले डुले यहाँ लेटे रहना है। शिकारी मरे हुए पक्षियों को कोई भी नुकसान नहीं पहुँचाएगा, वह हमें नीचे धरती पर फेंक देगा, वो हमें जाल से निकाल कर धीरे धीरे धरती पर फेंक देगा सबको। उसके लिए नीचे उतरकर मरे हुए पक्षियों को इकट्ठा करके घर ले जाना आसान होगा, इसलिए वो जाल से निकाल के नीचे फेंकेगा हमें। और जब हम में से अंतिम को नीचे फेंक दिया जाएगा तो हम सब फुर्ती से उठ जाएंगे और अपने पंखों को फड़फड़ा के यहाँ से उड़ जाएंगे। In the morning the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. They are all dead, he muttered to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings, and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree he watched all the geese fly away. अब सुबह क्या हुआ, शिकारी पेड़ के पास आया और वो उस पर चढ़ गया. क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ पे उसने जाल बिछाया था हंसों के लिए. उसने जाल में हंसों को फंसे हुए देखा, लेकिन उसने देखा कि वे सभी जो हंस थे वो सब मर चुके हैं. वह मन ही मन बड़बड़ाने लगा, अरे ये तो सब मर गए हैं. उसने एक एक करके उन्हें जाल से नीचे फेंकना शुरू कर दिया. पक्षी तब तक वहाँ पे बिना हिले डुले पड़े रहे ज़मीन पर जब तक कि आखिरी पक्षी को उसने जाल से निकाल के नीचे नहीं फेंक दिया. और जैसे ही उसने लास्ट पक्षी को, आखिरी पक्षी को ज़मीन पर फेंका, फिर अचानक से वो उठे, अपने पंख फड़फड़ाए और वहाँ से उड़ गए सभी इकट्ठे झुंड बनाकर. और शिकारी दंग रह गया. पेड़ के शिखर से उसने, पेड़ के टॉप से उसने हंसों को उड़कर जाते हुए देखा और उन्हें जाते हुए देखता ही रह गया. So this is the end of this very interesting and beautiful story. Now we will do some question of this chapter. And this one is the first question of this chapter. Where did the geese live? And its answer is, the geese lived on the top of a tall tree in a forest. Why did the old bird advise the other bird to destroy the creeper? And its answer is, the old bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper because it could help a hunter to climb up the tree to kill them. Third question is, why did the geese cry, help, help? When they caught in the net, they all cried for help. Why? So its answer is, the geese cried for help because they were trapped in the net. Fourth question is, why did the hunter do? What did the hunter do when he thought that the geese were dead? Its answer, the hunter threw them out of the net one by one. Fifth question is, why did the geese pretend to be dead? Its answer, they pretended to be dead so that the hunter would not harm them. Sixth question is for creative writing. Describe one incident when you got into trouble because you did not do your work on time. So it's all depend on your imagination. You can imagine an incident and then you will write it in your own words. And I am here presenting this question's answer. And its answer is, once my mother asked me to take the trash out of the house. I didn't do that task. It started to rot in a few days. Due to that, all the members of our family got it. Next question is, state whether the following statements are true or false. These questions are to be based on this chapter. First question is, the tree was the house of a flock of parrots. Is this the Is this the tree was the house of parrots or geese? Yes. This question is totally wrong. It's false. The wise old bird wanted the creeper to be destroyed. The wise old bird wanted the creeper to be destroyed. Yes, true. The hunter climbed the tree with the help of a ladder. With the help of a ladder. No, this answer is false. When caught in the net, the foolish birds began to weep. Yes, they all started crying and weeping and asked for help. The wise old bird helped them to escape. Yes, true. So this is the end of this interesting and beautiful video. I hope you are all liked it. Thank you very much.